nigga. What the fuck you drinking? Whatever you drinking got you reckless thinking. You been feeling yourself, and you by yourself. Wow. Wait a minute, what the fuck you drinking? Whatever you drinking got you reckless thinking. And you been drinking, you ain't really thinking. About to get beat up for whatever you drinking. Where's your help? And you by yourself. Don't get beat up, man down. So what the fuck you drinking? I ain't tryna take advantage of him. He can't hold his liquor, he can't bump into me no more. I'ma fade him like some clippers. Get this nigga, fuck him, let him chill. Ain't don't know what he thinking, about to get beat up for drinking. See, that's better than him stinking. Hey, one man down. I can't believe it, you gon' get beat up for nothing cause you're drinking. I don't know what you thinking. This nigga must be stupid. He bout to get beat up cause his bitch is playing stupid. But for drinking, nigga, wait a minute, what the fuck you drinking? Whatever you drinking got you reckless thinking. And you been drinking, you ain't really thinking. And you bout to get beat up for whatever you drinking. One man down. I can't believe it. Nigga just get beat up just for drinking. Nigga, better stop that drinking, nigga.